While Infiniti has been riding a wave of increased sales thanks to the QX30 small crossover and the sultry Q60 coupe, the Q50 sports sedan remains the brand's core vehicle and biggest seller. Since its launch for the 2014 model year, Infiniti has expanded and advanced the Q50's lineup with more engine options, improved performance, and upgraded luxury. For 2018, the Q50 receives a mild mid-cycle refresh, highlighted by slightly tweaked looks, rejiggered trim levels, and further refinement of the steering and the overall driving experience. The Q50 kicked off Infiniti's Q Everything naming convention, and it's now the first model to usher in a new trim level nomenclature. What was formerly base is now pure, and what was premium is now Luxe. The sport trim continues, but there is a new performance package available as an option that brings upgraded brakes, a firmer suspension, and a quicker steering ratio. The Red Sport 400 performance model stands as its own entity. The Q50's revised styling is so subtle that, at first glance, we thought we were gazing upon last year's version. Up front, the bumper has been slightly reshaped, as has the grille and the daytime running light housings. The Luxe and the Pure have softer fascias intended to look more luxurious. The Sport and the Red Sport have edgier visuals that include integrated aero bits at the corners. At the rear, there's a new decklid, bumper, and taillights. The trunk swaps its lower chrome strip for a simple crease, the bumper no longer has reflectors, and the taillights adopt a more horizontal shape with LED lamps. The Sport models are further distinguished by black lower bumper sections and contrasting body color diffusers bracketed by special exhaust tips. The 2.0 tons and 3.0 tons Luxe models add a new 18-inch wheel design, while the 19 inches on the hybrid Luxe and the 3.0 tons Sport are new as well. The interior gets contrast stitching, a new steering wheel, a new shift lever, upgraded interior lighting, and an available 16-speaker Bose Performance Series audio system.